Hey guys, well, figured I'd do another Balisong tutorial. This one's over a move I adapted from another move. The original move is called the Houdini. Alright? Basically what it is it's a latch trick. You hold the latch with your index finger and thumb and hold the knife at a 90-degree angle. This can be done open or closed. Cooler to do it open. So that 90-degree angle there. And then with your two fingers you twist, throw out and twist. And this trick was originally developed and named by Aztecia, and he has a good tutorial on how to do it. But that's that move, the Houdini. Basically it goes from open to open again. And my trick, the tutorial I'm doing a trick over today, is called the double Houdini, which is a variation on his trick, the Houdini. Here's the trick, or this way. Alright? So, basically what it is you do the Houdini once, and then you go back around the other direction. So, this trick is an advanced move, and takes a lot of feel. So what you're going to do is do the reverse Houdini first. So instead of going this way with your fingers, you go the opposite way, away from you. And then as this knife comes around, as it comes out and around and back, right before it gets back, you twist the other direction. Alright, so, hold on. Alright. Or, if you can go the other way. That way it's harder starting off coming towards you and going the other direction. I don't know why, it's just harder. So you can go out and go away from you and back, or you can go that way and back. Either way it's fine. Alright? So have fun with it. Have any questions or concerns, just let me know, and get back to you. So, double Houdini. Thanks for watching, guys.